Tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel.
Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Batmobile Tumbler again. Got issues 44, 45 and 46. And as you can see, I've got another Christmas hat. Let's have a tune, shall we? Where is it? It's on... There's... Excellent stuff. That's the wife's. You saw mine on the other video. There he is. He's having a rest, poor chap. Anyway, let's have a look at issue 44. Okie doke, stage 44 of a Batmobile Tumbler. The perfect car. Yeah, of course it is. Look at that. How horrible. Batman begins again. Jim Gordon and Batman first meeting, and here we have step-by-step instructions. Right side of the cage, same as before. Put the LEDs in place. This is number 17, so you want to take this off your PCB with plug 17 on it. There we go. Pop that onto the side, put the cage into place, and then we need the strip, the LED strip with the blue backing on. This is number 6. Yep, excellent. Pop that into here. There we go. So you can see where it goes. We already knew that there was something going in there, that channel. Excellent. And we can pop that onto the front of the cockpit. And there we go. And that is it for that issue. And then next issue, elements of the left shock absorber. So 45 is the left shock absorber, number 46 is the right shock absorber. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, stage 44. Let's get the parts. So it's not like we need such a big box. There we go, those are the parts. That's the right side of the chassis. 3 pegs again. EP screws and cable tape, and we need number 17. There we go. Let's pop this into place. Here we have the cockpit. Oops. Move the chassis out of the way. We'll pop these LEDs into here. There we go. That one could go in there. That one could go in there. This will run down here. There's a cutout here, and we just need to tape that just here and run it down there, and we can bend them back and bend that way. Let's see, bend that way. There we go, and we can take that into place now. They always pop out, they always stay in once we get the cage on. Let's put the tape in place. There we go. That's that piece there, and we can pop that just there. Excellent. And there we want. There we go. That has an R on it. Yeah, and there's 1, 2, 3 holes for them at 3 pegs. There was a tight bit last time. There we go. It's got in, no problem. Excellent. You line it up alright. Yeah, square on and you're fine. There we got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 EP screws. There we go. That's that right side of the chassis. You can see the LED here coming that way, that one there. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and the tape keeps everything in place. Brilliant. Now we need this piece. We'll put that to one side because we need to pop this in here. runs along there. Yep, that's perfect. Take this blue backing off. There we go. That's not very good, is it? There. That shouldn't be there like that. There we go. Take that off there like so. And we'll run this in this channel in the middle here. We'll get that situated just there. It should run nice and bonny all the way across. Get it to the end. Get it there first. And pop it down. There we go. Excellent. I think that's nicely in place. Brilliant stuff. There we go. That's that LED strip in place. Okay, so that's that in place. The cable goes through that little notch just here, like that. And now we need the cockpit. Bring the cockpit over. This is getting heavy on the sides. There's 3 screw holes, 1, 2, 3. See them alright? Make sure that wire comes through that notch. There we go. Just like that. Excellent. We'll keep that in place with 3 EP screws. There we go. That draws that in. Excellent. There we go. Just make sure you get that cable right there. Brilliant. That is stage 44 complete. Here we have stage 45. Let's have a look at the mag. Super Wheels. Lovely looking car. There we go. Old and new Vigilantes, and look at them comic strips. Brilliant. Must be the golden era, that. There we go. Step-by-step instructions. Elements of the left shock absorber. So we need the bulkhead with the wheels. We'll take remove the UM screw that fastens the inner shock absorber rod, and then we pop in, there we go, take that out, put 45B in place, screw it all back together, and then we put this plate on here. There we go, 45C goes there, and then we got 45A that goes there. There we go, and that is what we're left with. And then we do it again with the right shock absorber in issue 46. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have the parts. Those are the parts. Okay, first thing we need to do is to remove this rod from this screw, this UM screw. There we go. We don't need the UM screw. And then we need this piece, which fits just under there. Get that into position. If it will, that will fit just there. There we go. And then we can put the rod back in place with a BM screw. Okay, well, that's a much closer shot for you. Right, so we take this rod off, we put that piece on there, that goes there like that, and this goes back on here, so the rod goes back on there like that, and that new piece that we put in place, there's a little bit awkward, we need to put that around here and marry all of them up. But it's not behaving itself for me. Just give me a sec. So it's supposed to be in that position like that, which it is, but obviously it's not fixed to anything, so we need that like that, ever so gently, and screw them all together with a BM screw. There we go. That's how that now operates. Excellent. So that piece, because it's not fixed in at the bottom at all. There we go. Show you close up. There, you can see it now. So it's tucked up, that piece there, it's tucked right up to this piece here. There we go. Excellent stuff. That is nice and bonny now, that. Now we need this piece to pop into place, so we need to flip this over, if I remember rightly. That goes, just make sure we don't break anything. We'll take them 2 screws out here. There we go. And this will go in there like that. Okie doke. See how that is nicely into place. That's a support, extra support for that piece there. And we need 2 more BM screws. We can get rid of them screws now, we don't need them. So the AM screws are replaced with the BM screws. I don't know why we didn't get all these parts initially. Unless, well, I was just kind of think that they may have modified it to strengthen it, but it's early days coming up with any problems. I just don't think that is the issue, but there we go. That is that piece nicely in place, and again you can see that piece there. It's very difficult to actually see it, but it is tucked right up to this piece here. Excellent. That all that leaves now is this, and I believe that goes something like that. Does that go there, or is it that way? No, it's that way. Excellent. And we fix that in place with CM screws. Okay, now let's put that back on there. There is a little bit of oil on this again, on the screws. 2 CM screws. There we go. Excellent. That is stage 45 complete. That one doesn't come over as much as this one now because of that piece that we put on. Excellent stuff. Let's move on to stage 46. Okay, stage 46. Let's open up the magazine. Bat free. Beautiful artwork. That's a cracking picture as well. Not read these yet, but I'll soon get round to them. Step-by-step instructions, elements of the right shock absorber. So just the carbon copy of what we did, or mirror copy of what we did previously in 45. Yep. Put all them pieces in. There we go. Exactly the same steps. There we go. There's that plate, and that's what we end up with. And next, more elements to the shock absorbers and steering bar. So that is issue 47. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, doke. Stage 46. Again, exactly the same as before. These have an R on them for the right side, and we have BM and CM screws. So again, we need a bulkhead. We need to take this one off this time. This one goes there. Should have tuck up underneath there like that, and then we can fix it together with a BM screw. You don't need the UM screws. Again, hopefully that'll hold itself there like that. And I get a BM screw out. Okay, let's see. There we go. Nice. I caught it much better than the last time. Yep, that's fine. Excellent stuff. There we go. So that's that support piece in place, just like before. It's difficult to see, I know. Now we need to flip this over again. And and we need to take them AM screws out. Let me just zoom in. There we go, that's a bit better. We'll take these AM screws out, and we don't need them either. I'll pop this piece in place. Again, it's just another support piece, can only go in one way. There we go, make sure it lies flat. And we need 2 BM screws. There we go, there's that support piece, nicely into place. We can flip this around, there we go, and we need to pop that just there with 2 CM screws. There we go. Nice, stage 46. That is feeling a lot more stable now, that. Excellent, there we go, you can see that plate there and that other piece here. Yep, excellent stuff. So all that stage 44 to 46 complete. Okay, now we've got all the parts that we've actually fitted in these last 6 issues. There's that limit switch there, depresses that way, that one depresses that way. Right. Now that will be the front, heading towards the front, so that will go there like so, and that will, make sure we get these wires trapped. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact for that piece in to the front. That will situate itself there like so, and then the cockpit will sit on top, and these cutouts here and here, there, that one will go over the limit switches. I don't know if I can get this. There we go, like that. Obviously I've got that cable stuck there. But that's how that looks at the moment. Looking pretty good really, then, isn't it? Excellent. We've got that wire there, but yeah, that's how it all fits together. So the floor of the chassis, the right side, the left side. Excellent. There we go, that just comes out like that. And obviously with that position there, these limit switches here and here are for the steering rack, so it goes that way, activates that switch, it goes that way, and activates that switch. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go guys, that is it. That is it. Stages 44, 45 and 46. Looking fantabulous. One side chassis, on side chassis. Does obviously feel heavier now. Just got to watch out for all these cables now, make sure we don't break them. And as you can see, the chassis there with the bulkhead, there we go, fits nicely into place there as well. Excellent stuff. Yeah. Excellent, and the tyres look really good as well. Brilliant. Anyway, that is it for the Batmobile Tumbler. Another 6 weeks before the next 6 issues, but at least we've got some decent parts to put in place instead of just electronics. So anyway, it's yeah, well, 2 days off Christmas, so yes, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't see you beforehand. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the Titanic out this week. I did think that the delivery I was getting today was the Titanic. Well, it's not, so hopefully that will come tomorrow, and if it is, I will see you on that. But anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in another 6 weeks time. Thanks for tuning in again. Bye for now.